sound involves more than what the ear simply hears. There's a lot of science behind sound. Wave, vibration, low pitch, high pitch, matter, and it all makes up what we hear every day. Sound is produced when matter vibrates or moves quickly back and forth as vibrating objects transfer energy all around it. For example, when the rubber bands, which is the matter, is plucked, the rubber band vibrates, causing it to produce energy. Sound is a form of energy that travels as waves through matter. Matter that vibrates quickly, making small waves in the air, makes a high-pitched sound. Matter that vibrates slowly, making longer waves in the air, making a low-pitched sound. Both low and high-pitched sounds are a form of energy. For example, when a thin rubber band is plucked, it makes a high-pitched sound because it vibrates quickly, producing shorter wavelengths. The thick rubber band makes a low-pitched sound because it vibrates slower, producing longer wavelengths. After reading and getting my information from Chapter 5 in my textbook and the internet, I hope you better understand how high and low pitch sounds are made.